The longest court battle between Steamships and the Independent Consumer and Competition Commission of PNG took almost 6 years for the two parties to come to an agreement. In a media conference today, ICCC's Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer said the two parties have agreed to settle this matter out of court.
Steamship came to us and said, how about settling out of court? So they made an offer on the 1st of March and 2019, and we eventually agreed with Steamship that we should settle out of court.
The court battle began in 2011 when ICCC initiated a legal proceeding against Steamships Trading Limited for acquisition of shares in Consort Express. Steamships Limited later filed a notice of motion seeking dismissal of the court proceedings. The ruling on the motion was delayed by the courts for more than 6 years and was finally handed down on 27th of March 2018 in favor of ICCC to proceed to trial. Mr. Ain said ICCC has agreed with Steamships to settle the matter out of court because the long delay by the courts has significantly impacted all ICCC's evidences.
Business circumstances have changed, people have moved on, business have moved on. So the ability for us to get everybody together into a courtroom and start putting all the evidence together, I think this has not been good to us.
This is the first time for ICCC to have a case in court for such a very long time. Despite the challenges faced in this court case, they have learned many lessons and have taken steps to address similar issues that may happen in the future. The Commissioner said one of the steps they have taken is to make amendments to the ICCC Act.
In preparing ourselves, we have put in place, as you are fully aware, an amendments to the very provisions under the ICCC Act to address concerns regarding to acquisitions. So we have now moved away from a voluntary regime now to mandatory regime. So it is now before the Government House.
Meanwhile, all terms of their agreement with Steamships are kept confidential and they will disclose to all stakeholders once it is finalized.
What we're discussing with Steamships is it's confidential at the moment. Once we are ready to discuss the terms, that's something that the Commission will have to decide on to disclose to the public.
Rayon Lakingu, National EMTV News.